In this video, I will show you how to screen record on your laptop. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To do this, you don't actually need to download anything. There is a built-in tool on your Windows laptop. Now, to get started, what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type snip-in tool, and then you should see this come up underneath best match. Give it a click to open it up, and what that's going to do is open up the snip-in tool. Now from here, if you come up to the top, you're going to see this kind of like video camera option. Give it a click. This is going to change it to the recording option. There is also a shortcut key, so if you hold down the Windows key, Shift and press R on your keyboard, it's going to start recording your screen. But from here, basically what you want to do, once you've selected the video camera where it says record, come over to the left, you're going to see this button which says new. Give it a click, and then what you can do is highlight the area of the screen that you want to record. You can do this for part of your screen, or you can just record your full screen. To do this, hold down your left mouse button, drag across, and you're going to see an area come up like this kind of box. And what you want to do is select the area that you want to record. So if you wanted to record your full screen, you would just simply start at the top left hand corner of your laptop, hold down your left mouse button and drag all the way down to the opposite corner, and then let go of your mouse button. So once you've done that, if you come up to the toolbar at the top, you've got a few options before you start recording. So you can choose whether to have your microphone enabled or disabled. And there's also an option if you want to mute your actual system audio, so sound from your laptop doesn't get recorded. Once you've configured your settings, just click the start button to start recording. At this point, you'll get a countdown timer saying 3, 2, 1, and then it's going to start recording. Now, there is a toolbar that appears at the top, but when you start recording, you're not going to see this in the actual recording, if that makes sense. But once you're happy with your recording and you're ready to stop recording, come up to the toolbar at the top and you're going to see a red stop button. So it's going to say stop recording. You should see it come up saying stop recording on this tutorial, but you're not going to see the actual toolbar because of course I'm using the tool. So what you would do is click the red stop button. That's going to stop it, and it's actually going to load this up as a preview. So at this point, what you can do is click the play button at the bottom to preview your recording. Now of course I've got no sound because I chose to have the microphone muted and things like that, just so you can hear me talking still. And if you're happy with this, what you can do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the save icon here, and you can choose where you want to save this on your laptop. So if you want to save on your desktop, click desktop. I'm going to call this one example, and save as type, of course it's going to be in MP4 format, and then just click save. Now if we come back to my desktop, we should see it here. You can see it's just been saved here, example. We can double click to open this, and then of course use that wherever we want to. So that is how to screen record on laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.